What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Bert from Sesame Street. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a large oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom of the nose, and pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind the side of the nose, so I'm leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side, draw a circle, going all the way around, and then just tuck that in towards the side of the nose. And we'll just line that up on the right side. Along the edge of the nose, let's draw a small circle for the pupil, going all the way around and then in. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to tuck the top edge of the mouth in behind the nose. So let's start on the left, then it's down, and then in toward the side. Continue over on the right, going out, and then up. Let's add a small bracket on the corners of the mouth. And we'll step in and draw the bottom of the mouth. Let's draw a half circle, coming down, and then back up. Along the inside, along the top, draw another half circle for the tongue. Now from the corner of the mouth, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. So let's start on the left. Stepping out, curve this down underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that back up. Now let's go back to the left side and curve the head, going up, and then bend that in towards the top to right about there. And do the same thing on the right, going up, and then bending that in towards the same height. Now I'm going to go back and draw a curve along the top of the eyes for the eyebrow. I'm going to go up and then down. Round up the side of the eyebrows. And then we'll curve the top, going up and then down. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we want to draw the edge of the hair along the top. So on the left side, curve this down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Add one more curve in the center. Now let's add the hair. From the top corners, bend this up and then out. Come in and then down. Now we go back to the left side. We're going to bend this up and in. Come down. Now we'll continue to add these points, working our way over towards the right. Going across. Down, and we're just alternating the curve. Let's move back down towards the side of the head and add the ears. Starting on the left, draw a half circle, and then we'll line that up on the right. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside of the hair in black. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the turtleneck. We're going to start on the left side of the head, bend this down, go across the middle, and then back up towards the right. Let's add that V in the center, coming down and then up. Let's go along the side and angle the body, coming down and out towards the hips. And we'll flatten off the bottom with a straight line. In the center, let's move down and draw a curve, going up and then down. Leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, we're going to bend the foot, coming down and up towards the outside of the foot. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And I'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and bend the outside leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then we'll add that trim across the shoe. Start from the top, bend this in and then down, step out and draw that same curve. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, angle the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. From the wrist, bend the cuff going up and then out. And then draw a straight line going up and in towards the side of the turtleneck. Let's go back to the inside of the cup, draw on the thumb, then it's in, around, and then up. And then we'll add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the outside of the thumb, come down, and then up. Add the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to pull this up and then in towards the outside of the cup. And now we're going to go back and add some stripes inside the shirt. Let's start from the left side of the body. We're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down, leave a gap, and we'll just continue all the way across towards the right side. Let's add some stripes across the arm, start from the outside. Just work our way in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Bert from Sesame Street. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.